Good day everyone. I welcome you all to Friday Mariners, and in this video we are going to see about the LDCL system that is been integrated in the latest MAN ME engines and which is also the favorite question in the MMPs. In this video we'll see about the line diagram and the basic things that are there in the system. So let's get into the video. LDCL system in MAN engines. In recent MAN engines, there is a heightened problem of cold corrosion. This is because of the recent development of low load or part load operation on these engines, which is also called as slow steaming. We all know what slow steaming is. Either way, slow steaming is deliberately reducing the speed of the engine to cut down the fuel consumption and carbon emission. It is the simplest way to reduce operational cost. Although the engine is slowed down, the fuel required for the voyage is reduced, since the correlation of speed and shaft power is not linear but cubic. So coming to the LDCL system, to facilitate slow steaming, the pressure inside the combustion chamber is increased by the new development in design. The increase in pressure along with the increased slow steaming operating time results in acid condensation on the cylinder liner because of the reduced temperature at slow speeds, which is called as cold corrosion. In order to avoid cold corrosion, MAN has proposed the following initiatives: introduction of BN100 cylinder oil, increased jacket cooling water temperature, redesigned cylinder liner, new cylinder lubricator, that is Alpha Lubricator Mark II. In this video, we are going to see about increased jacket cooling water temperature, since LDCL comes under it. Increased jacket cooling water temperature is achieved by either JBB, which is Jacket Bypass Basic, where an orifice is placed in line in between the jacket and the cylinder cover, which regulates the passage of water, or JBC, Jacket Bypass Controlled, where an thermostatic valve is placed in between the jacket and the cylinder cover in line, which regulates the passage of water. Later, LDCL was developed. On recent engines, LDCL is facilitated. LDCL abbreviates to Load Dependent Cylinder Liner Cooling Water System, which has no design modification on the existing cooling water lines, but additional lines are provided to facilitate this system. In this system, a three-way bypass valve is provided to bypass the cooling water in the cooling water system. The system is explained in the diagrams which follows. In this diagram, you can see that the jacket and the cylinder cover line circuits are separated from each other by a three-way valve. In the next diagram, you can see that the regulation of the three-way valve causes water to recirculate in the jacket liner system, or it can be sent back to the cylinder cover, which can again be cooled by the jacket cooler. In the next diagram, you can see that this system is fail-proof, and in case of any disturbances and the three-way valve is not functional, then the system can be bypassed and it operates as a regular engine. Okay, let me explain this LDCL system in a simple term. With this simple diagram that I have made, the thing is like in a normal engine, this is the jacket cooling water in, it comes to the jacket and goes to the cylinder cover and comes out, and which is then cooled by the jacket cooler. In this system, as you can see, they have separated the cylinder cover and the jacket using a three-way valve, and the bottom circuit of the jacket is also been equipped with an LDCL pump. The pump pumps the pressure of about 4.8 bar in this system and maintains it as a whole. The thing is, like when the water comes in, it circulates in this circuit and maintains the temperature of 130 degrees Celsius, whereas in the cylinder cover, water comes in a direct bypass, goes to the cylinder cover, and then it gets cooled, and temperature of 75 to 80 degrees Celsius, 85 degrees Celsius is maintained. In case there is an increase in temperature here, water is then bypassed into the cylinder cover, which is then again cooled in the cylinder jacket cooler, and the makeup water is taken from this line. So the temperature in this jacket is always maintained at a higher temperature to reduce acid condensation. That's it guys, hope you liked the video and we'll see you in the next one. Please do like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for notification. And leave your thoughts in the comment section below. And as always, be safe, be calm and keep sailing.